Welcome to Display Museum. I am Dr. Pan, the curator of museum.
Hello Dr. Pan, I'm Greg. I came here to learn about analog 8-wire resistive touchscreen.
Hello, Greg. Analog 8-wire resistive touch screen is an update of analog 4-wire resistive touch screen. The most vivid feature is 8-wire FPC. It is going to need 2 layers to achieve the touch function: top sheet ITO film and bottom sheet ITO glass. It is supposed that bottom layer is X electrode and top layer is Y electrode. Anode end is 5V and cathode end is 0V. We presuppose that the voltages are evenly distributed between the anode end and the cathode end, but actually they're not. We add 2 sensors to ITO glass and another 2 to ITO film to adjust the differences of the voltages. It improves the accuracy of the touch.
Dr. Pan, I can barely see any difference between analog 4-wire resistive touchscreen and analog 8-wire resistive touchscreen, except the latter is more accurate at the touch.
It is true. It isn't widely used because it is almost the same as analog 4-wire resistive touch screen. It still can't solve the short serving time problem. Besides, it is more expensive.
Thank you Dr. Pan, now I got it.
Welcome to contact us if you have any question.